Hey everybody, Cappy here.
Miko here.
Here to play another round of Ratchet and Clank. This guy's been playing behind my back, just upgrading crap, so...
Getting new weapons and gadgets.
Yeah.
Which planet should we go to?
I'm guessing this is one we have to go to.
Yeah, this is the only planet that has objectives so far.
What's our health at?
60.
Okay, so you upped it like one more.
Yeah.
I wonder if there's a max for that or not.
I don't know.
Let's land. Now let me see.
Fight the Blarg.
Let me see if this does what I actually think it does. Yeah, this just shows. Yeah, this shows up our weapons and their levels. So yeah, he's upgraded the
Combustor to the Magma
Buster. He's got the Proton
Drum.
up to at least level 3. We've
Fully
got the
upgraded.
flamethrower all the way up. This guy's almost a level 4.
Maxed out the Groovertron, which is now
Groovertron's
the
maxed.
Groover Bomb.
The Pixelator is at level 2, but not for long.
And I got the Predator Launcher.
A new gun that he found. And I
Yeah.
think that's all of our inventory.
Yeah.
All right, let's go find you a new jetpack.
Let's see if there's
Whoa,
new
whoa,
weapons.
whoa.
Oh, the Plasma Striker. I don't know what that does, but that looks cool.
We got enough to buy it.
Oh, yeah.
We've been farming.
Acquired a plasma striker. The pseudospectral bioscope could identify enemy weak points, but did he have the skill to hit them?
Ooh. Nice.
Oh, so it's like a sniper.
Yeah. And it apparently can detect enemy weak points. I'm not sure we're supposed to be shooting at that.
It's a giant turret. What makes you think we're not supposed to be shooting at it? Okay.
Well, considering the fact that it's not shooting at us right now.
Okay.
Oh, we go through pages as we collect weapons. Okay.
Okay, that's a lot different than from what I'm used to. I'm gonna test. No, not you. I'm gonna try this gun out. I want to see how well this is.
Still need to output the...
Ratchet dreamed of riding that grind rail, which he will do as soon as he finds some grind boots.
Okay, so I'm guessing I have to get some grind boots.
Ooh, what's this? What's that thing over there?
Ratchet would be able to use this refueling station as soon as he collected the jetpack.
Okay. So I have to get grind boots for that section and a jetpack for that.
Nefarious has built quite the operation here. You're not kidding. Let's check this place out, see what we can find.
You have to hold it to have the more rockets come out. Fire! It only holds it. You can only have 4 rockets come out at a time.
Okay, machine gun dangerous. I'm gonna get out my new gun.
Critical.
Come on, Blarg. Get off the gun.
Is the rock blocking your way?
Might be, and I don't like that. What that giant shield on his face.
Shoot that Blarg.
There we go, that works.
Oh, now he's on the...
I will fucking find your weak spot, you coward.
ammo.
Dang it. Okay, well, plan B.
Yeah, use that. Ah. It hit the rock, so it didn't do much. Shoot it to the side of him. Oh, there we go.
There we go. Alright. Put you on because I want to upgrade you. I I want to try this baby out a little bit. 3 shots a lot more useful.
Especially when it only counts as one.
Oh yeah.
Mr. Zircon lives on fear.
Maybe you're supposed to shoot something with the turret? Check around.
Mr. Zircon is bored.
Oh, wait, is that a... No, it's a symbol. I thought I saw an enemy through the wall.
This might be important later.
Yeah. Just try and figure out where to go.
I don't see anything important. That's lava. I can't pass that. I guess I go through the big door? If it'll open.
Try shooting it.
Ratchet, perhaps the turret could help blast through that door.
I knew it.
Okay.
I knew it.
Reinforced door. Why does everything have to be made of dense alloy? I will try not to be offended by that. Got it.
Fight Mr. Zircon.
Thank you, Zircon.
Oh no.
It's the latest crop of galactic morons. I hope you like my facility, because you're never ever leaving!
I think I just dropped him in the lava.
Probably.
Okay. Let's tear some stuff up, shall we?
Mr. Zircon is looking to kill you.
Be sure to reactivate Mr. Zircon whenever he runs out. Just to up his level.
Yeah.
Mr. Zircon has returned with a vengeance. Mr. Zircon gives you of suffering. Did no one warn you about Mr. Zircon? Mr. Zircon delivers a symphony of pain.
Yeah, I need to increase his number of shots.
Yeah.
Mr.
I
Zircon
think that was mainly because he got hit.
cannot be
No, he has a certain number of shots before he disappears.
Yeah.
equals die, die, die.
These levels gotta be close
You
though.
are a disease, and Mr. Zircon is the cure.
Moving through the darkness. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I won't find the hollow cards on my own, but if you wanted to look up where to find them for like the rhino and shit like that, go ahead.
Yeah.
As long as we
Shooting my door!
pass the area or on the area.
Mr. Zircon gives you a destroy target.
Oh boy, Warbot.
Zircon's almost there.
Zircon has returned with a vengeance.
Warbots suck. Oh, you're almost dead.
What hit me? I know he was shooting at me, but I didn't see anything. He must have a powerful gun.
Alright. Oh, the door's already destroyed, but,
Zircon, help me. Gun?
throw,
A
shoot up.
Glutatron?
I guess so, yeah, that works too. Wait, why aren't we using the turrets against these guys?
Good point.
And the Groove Bomb just took
Come on. We better
took
That
care of it.
really
Use the
helps.
propellers. There we go. Much easier.
Yep. There's really no trouble making money back with this. I got 2 of these guys left.
Remember Mr. Zircon? Do you know how to begin?
Zircon's level 3, or level 4.
Yep. Just one more level and he'll level up.
Might have a super boost.
Mr. Zircon lives for. You are
Reasons are stacked up like this.
Zircon intends to rectify this.
Huh?
I trying to figure out if there's a reason. That's probably the reason. Or you hit those.
They're still enemies.
So what do I have that needs to be upgraded? You do.
Mr. Zircon has returned with a vengeance.
Oh, looks like that thing spawns enemies.
Warn you about
Okay.
Mr. Zircon?
Nice.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
There we go.
Oh, that's...
Also, quick little thing about the Prairie Launcher. Don't bring up the missiles when you're
Send those strikes
close to something like a wall or rocks, because when they show up,
It'll hit that first.
yeah, and blow up. So, just as
Let's
a fair
try the
warning.
pixelator.
You gotta be closer. There. Oh, fire.
It looks so weird.
Yeah. I haven't upgraded the pixelizer so much.
Get over here, buddy.
Careful for the turn. Now attack. There we go. Oh,
That sucks to be you.
oh.
What the hell just happened?
Is it bad to try and kill the boxes there?
I don't know. Maybe I need them for something.
Collect the nanotech that's over there. Hold R1.
Is there anything up here that I need to get?
Just look around on the ceiling and...
I don't
Yeah,
see-
probably not.
No. Okay, nanotech it is.
Yeah, you kinda needed it there.
Pixelizer.
Shoot.
Okay.
Shoot it.
I need the turret.
Yep. Nope.
So that's not gonna destroy the boxes.
Oh no, warbots. And those things. Call on Mr. Zircon.
Mr. Zircon is here to
Did
kill.
he have a shield for a second?
Huh?
No
I
one
thought he had a shield on him for a second.
Yeah.
Zircon, you're amazing.
Oh. Turned.
They're near my secret project. Will one of you morons stop them?
Whoa.
Oh god. Back it up. Back it up.
Mr. Zircon, call him. You're
Quit.
dead.
Yeah. I got a hollow card.
Yeah, just stay behind that shield and you should be good.
Yeah.
Oh wait, no, you're slowly dying.
Come on, you little freak show.
Somehow he's hurting you.
Slowly.
Get behind cover.
More
That
enemies.
works.
Not exactly what I had in mind, but
That works. Just steal his gun. Die, die, die.
I hope it's enough
Grind boots?
grind bots.
Tripad lock. In order to bypass it, the duo would have to quickly activate
Oh,
all
boots.
three
Grind
Ratchet
boots.
bands.
Oh, heck yes.
Oh, you got a hollow card.
Oh, check it out.
Not a rhino card, though.
No.
Find some now attack. There. Oh, I see what you got to do.
Oh, look, they got it.
Sweet.
And that completely unlikely location is where Ratchet found a shiny new pair of grind boots. With his grind boots strapped on, Ratchet leapt onto the
Look at
rail.
all the money.
Yeah.
I see you changed the thing back to the original bolts instead
Yeah.
of the coins.
I liked it a little better.
I wonder if there's any other options.
Still on the hunt for the jetpack, Ratchet used his newfound grind boots to explore the planet further.
Oh, yes.
Ratchet stylishly leapt onto the rail next to him.
That takes
Nice.
talent.
Looks like you might have to jump forward. Yep.
That's the part about these grinding sections.
Versa mines
Oh.
ahead.
Okay. Not too difficult.
Oh.
Okay, kind of difficult. Give me. We almost got 20 volts again. Pixelizer needs to be upgraded. I want to see
Yeah.
what else this thing can do.
Sand sharks.
That wasn't a threat.
Hey,
You have this on normal, don't you?
come here.
Who said that?
Kind of Ratchet, I'm guessing.
No, it said, hey, Lombax, come here.
What?
Check the other side. Is it the
Oh.
Blarg who said that?
Yeah. Right next to
Don't
that
worry,
fueling
I'm a
system.
friend.
What?
I know who you are. You're the Lombax and the Warbat from the news.
Oh, and you must be the faceless minion helping Drac terrorize the galaxy.
That's just my day job. My real passion is in amateur neuroscience. I've been collecting brains from telepathopuses as a hobby for about a year now.
You collect brains as a hobby? I'm gonna go out on a limb here and say you're single.
Studying brains is a noble pursuit. If I can tap into the psychic powers of these telepathopuses, I'll be able to raise an army. Then we'll see who thinks they can steal my food out of the company fridge. I mean, I can contribute to the good of all Blarg kind. Say, if you can collect a few telepathopus brains for me, I'll give you this jetpack.
Okay,
Ah,
that works. I got killed.
I guess we're collecting brains now.
Yeah, this is disgusting.
Okay, this is not that
Hot
difficult.
one. Nice work.
I'm guessing it's gonna get harder as I go on.
Probably.
Sand sharks!
Oh no! Do not fall into the lava.
Bye bye. I gotta keep this pixelizer on key.
Whoa, what the heck?
Some sort of crab?
Alright, it's dead. Get to the other one, quick.
Yeah, got 5 of them so far.
Yeah.
Which means there's 4 more. Come on, people.
Oh yeah, we need the
Ratchet
jet.
would be able to use this refueling station as soon as he collected the jetpack.
Okay.
Go in the area you just unlocked there. I don't know if there's... Yeah! Drones to grapple onto.
Did not see that. Thank you, Hookshot. And Pixelator, here we go.
Looks like it takes 2 shots to kill him with the
For the larger
pixelizer.
enemies.
I hear another behind you.
Got 8 shots left, but it's almost upgraded.
Two more.
There's some more money. Some attack, that's good.
What the heck is that?
That's probably a boss. How long have we been going?
I guess a long time.
Go
I don't
back to the
know.
computer screen.
I mean, your timer went off and we continued going.
Oh yeah, that's right. So yeah, I guess we'll leave it here and we'll go face that thing on the next episode. So if you like it, hit the thumbs up button on the video. And if you want to, subscribe. And if you want to get in touch with us or check out some other content, we'll have Miko's channel down in the description below along with our Facebook information. So thank you. We'll see you in the next video.
See ya.